Hello guys, good day and welcome to Joso. My name is Edwin. So today I'll be showing you how to connect your T300 Plus receiver with your N3 Gnss receiver. So how it is that under normal circumstances, the work mode for the T300 Plus and the N3, they are not the same. So you cannot use your whip antennas to do the connection because they are not compatible. So but I want to show you how to connect the both of them. So if peradventure you have a T300 Plus and you got an N3, you can still work with them together. So this is basically everything that we need. So here we have our external radio antenna and everything that came with it. This is our tripod stand, this is our 2-meter pole. We have our external source of power for our external radio. This is our T300 receiver, and in here is our N3 receiver. So let's just get into the exercise so we see how it goes. Okay guys, so yes, something I want to point out. Now this is the CDL7 external radio device that came with the N3 receiver, and here this is CDL5 radio. This one comes with T300 Plus, but since it's not compatible with N3, we are using the radio device that came with the N3, which is the CDL7, to connect it to our N3 using our T300 Plus as our base. So that is what we'll be doing. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've finished setting up our instruments. We are using our T300 Plus as our base, and of course our N3 as our rover. The radio and everything has been connected. The battery is working. As you can see, the radio device is on already. So we just have to power our base so as to set up the work mode. So the first thing we'll be doing is to create a new project. So we'll be creating this as, let's use check 1. Okay, so we've succeeded in creating the project. So let's connect to our base so as to set up our base station. Go to the connection, the device page, and click on connection. Let's cancel this. Connect to our base, and the base is 982. So select that.
Device connected.
So we are connected to our base. So to set the work mode for our base, we'll click on the base on the device page. As you can see, we already have our external radio on auto base. So we'll select that and we'll click on apply. But there's something I need to show you. If peradventure we don't have, you're not having this work mode on your controller before, you can add a new one by clicking on add. We are using external radio, so we'll change that to external radio. We are using a radio device, and what we are using is CDL7, like I explained before. And with that we are through, so we can confirm that and click on OK. Now we'll set up a name, so let's use auto base external radio. Auto base, auto base external radio. So click on OK, and that's set. So this is the work mode you are using, so it's already. Click on that and apply it. So we are good to go. Also click on yes.
Device disconnected.
Our base will be disconnected, so we can connect to our Rover. Let's power that. Look for the serial number of our Rover, which is 961. So this is our
device connected.
Okay, so
Rover.
We are connected to our Rover. So take note, we'll be making use of our whip antenna. So let's just quickly fix that to our Rover. Okay, so now to set up our Rover, we'll click on the Rover on the device page, and always take note, since we are working on external, whether you are working on external radio or internal radio for your base, the Rover is always on internal radio. So select that and click on apply. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so we are all set. Alright, so devices are connected. The base is set with T300 plus receiver. Our Rover is the N3 receiver. So in order to start our job, what we need to do is to carry out site calibration. We have a video for how to do that, so you can just watch that. Go back to our YouTube page and go through that to know how to do your site calibration. So as you can see, we are all set. It's on fixed. Everything is working perfectly well. So that's how to connect your N3 with your T300 plus using the CDL7 external radio device. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you another time.